like it. I like Giggles. Giggles is cool.
She's a great person.
Yep.
Her and Sam are just really good people.
Beautiful heart.
She said she took over everything. All the roads.
She has a way of just like wiggling in and being like, hi.
Every Friday on the Higher Desert Exotics podcast, we give away packs just like these from Giggle Bean Co. So if you'd like a chance to win, like some of our lucky winners, then come check us out at 6 p.m. on Fridays, Mountain Standard Time, for your chance. Channels 1. Okay, so just a quick forward. I use a 3D printable design in this build that I have to change at the end because I'm not particularly happy with the design. I also design new end caps for the 50 by 100 millimeter pipe, which is available in Australia, as well as the two American pipe sizes, the vinyl tubing you have in America. I've designed multiple end caps to adapt both the rain gutter grow system, blanking ends, and other new features which I've included in the Australian end caps as well. So if you're interested in that, wait till the end. Other than that, enjoy the video. Welcome back to Who Chose. Today on Who Chose, I'm going to show you how to build another super simple strawberry system that we can take designs previously discussed in our rock wedge hydroponic system and implement them in our new bagging technique, which we have also
It's a good thing this video's going on Rumble. I can stop recording that. And now go back to recording this. Oh.
Explored in a recent video. Okay, so today we're actually going to take 4 videos and combine them all into one system. We're going to take the rock wedge hydroponic system, the rain gutter grow system, the super simple strawberry system, and the how to make your own custom bagged media video, and we're going to combine them into what I hope is a really effective hydroponic system for growing both strawberries, and I'm going to try and max out the system with cucumbers as well. Okay, so for our rain gutter grow systems, we need the systems to be completely level. So what that means is I need the base to be completely level so I can build up from a level foundation. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so these are the rain gutter grow systems with 3D printable end caps. You can make them without the 3D printable end caps. I've just made them a little bit cheaper for me to make and you to make if you have a 3D printer. So a full rundown of how to make these systems is available in my rain gutter grow system video and throughout the rain gutter grow system playlist. I'm actually raising these a bit higher than I have my IBC, and that's because I'm actually going to be adding them to my NFT pressurized system. So the NFT is running 13mm tubing up to the ends, and I've got extra tubing coming off the bottom so that I can actually connect up any system that I like. I also use these to water plants that aren't in a system, and this will allow me to have these pipes pressurized at the float valve end with half strength nutrient. Now, half strength nutrient is what strawberries require. They're about 1.5 EC, so I wouldn't be running them on my 2.4 EC gravity feed reservoir. I will be running them off my NFT reservoir that my lettuce is in. This also allows me in the future to have these systems not only suspended on the ground, but I can have them suspended off the structure of the greenhouse as well, and even above my head if I wanted to. So I'm going to set up my pipes. I'm going to add on some barbed BSP to 13mm